Hello, this is Miss Lena from Miss Lena's Kitchen, and I want to thank all of my subscribers, and all the new ones and the old ones, and hello to my whole YouTube family. I appreciate you guys so much. So I'm coming in this evening, and I'm getting ready. These are a few things that I wanted to prepare for Mother's Day coming up for Sunday. I don't have everything that I had thought I would have by now, but I will be doing right now. I have a lamb chop. They're small ones because I don't like the larger ones. So I got these. They'll be cooking them the same way if you would get a larger one. Okay, and I have a T-bone steak also, and I'm going to be cooking these with the garlic butter. And so now I will be putting my onion powder and garlic powder on them also as I go. So, okay. I'm putting them in two different skillets, of course. And I have black pepper already stored with them, okay. And I'm going to be using Himalaya salt. I'll be using my Himalaya salt, okay. Okay, now I'm going to put the garlic powder on. Okay. And I will be putting rosemary on the lamb chops, okay? Oh, I know I didn't have it open. Okay. I'm putting a little bit of rosemary. All right. Now I'm getting ready to turn them over. Yeah. Now my next is the Himalaya salt again. Okay. Now garlic powder. Onion powder. Quite a bit up there. Look at that. Okay. Now I'll be adding the to my lamb chops. I'll be putting rosemary. I'm not putting any on the T-bone steak. Okay. So now I'm getting ready to take them to the skillet, which I think should be ready right now. I just wanted to store the butter a little earlier, but I didn't have a whole lot in because the butter is what helps it to keep turning the butter over on it. Okay. So I'm going to turn the fire up just a little bit to get the butter to melting on both sides. Okay. And I'll be putting the minced garlic with the butter. I'm going to put about a tablespoonful in with where I'll be putting the lamb chops. As soon as the butter melts, I'm going to stir it up in there. It hasn't quite melted yet. And I'm going to put a half a tablespoon with the T-bone steak, okay? So, it's got to melt just a little bit, so just hold on just a minute. I'm going to have to come back till the butter melts. I can't do it too high. I have to keep it at a certain, down kind of low, it's kind of like on a medium. I'm getting ready to put the little lamb chops in now. Okay. I'm putting in the T-bone steak right now. Just a little bit too high. You have to keep covering it with the flavor to keep your garlic flavor in with your butter. Okay. I'm turning over the lamb chops. Since they are the baby lamb chops, you can't let them cook too long because they're overcooked. I'm going to turn the T-bone over also, and then I'll turn it back over again. They have to get it on the fork. They're not the right fork for it anyway, so. Okay.
And she cooked the lamb chops for 5 minutes on that one side.
And browning slowly. Last time I did this one. All right. This is something I hope everybody would like and will try it. You don't have to really cook it a long time unless you have a real thick steak or something. And I was going to put it on the grill outside, but it was raining today, so I decided to go ahead and do it on the inside because I wanted to get on before you all start cooking for Mother's Day. So if you want to do it, you can also get your garlic, minced garlic and stuff, and saute your steaks and stuff overnight, and then put them on the grill. But it's raining here today, and I didn't get a chance to do it, so I said I'd come just leave it and keep doing it on the stove. Although I do have a smoke grill. When you take them out, they're going to have to cool off for about 5 or 10 minutes. Cool off and rest. So they'll keep the juice on the inside. Okay. Okay. So I'm going to just pour a little bit over this, the juice on top of them. Okay. Okay. Now I'm going to set them on the table over here. And I'm going to check on the steak. Cut this one off. Okay. Now this one is also ready. Okay. I'm going to be taking this one off also. And I'll be pouring just a little bit of the garlic juice over this one also. Okay, these are my finishing touches of my. This is a T-bone steak with the baked potato with the Kobe cheese and also sour cream. Okay, and this is my lamb chops with the sour cream and a baked potato and the green beans. So these are two other things that I think that you might be wanting to do something for Mother's Day plates. So I'm going to taste a little bit of it for you. Let you see how they came out for me. Okay, I'm first going to cut just a little piece of my lamb chop. Okay. All right. Oh, it's so tender. Oh, it's just delicious. Okay. It just cuts out so good. So I'm going to take just a bite of it for you. And I know they're delicious. Okay. Oh, yes. Very, very good. And I'm going to do the same thing with the T-bone. It's not a real thick steak because I'm doing dental work and I can't chew a real thick steak, so I have to get them to cut them thin for me. I have to buy the thin ones. So you can get one thicker for you. Okay. All right. Oh, yeah, very good. Very, very good. So.
Give me a piece of lamb chop.
Huh?
Cut me a piece of lamb chop. Over here. Just cut it with the knife.
Okay.
So good, y'all.
Very, very good.
Buttery and garlicky, and it's very tender, very juicy.
It's really juicy. It has a very good flavor and everything. And the potatoes are also good. So everything is good. So y'all just need to try it. And I think you'll enjoy it. I don't know what you're going to fix. But this is just something that I wanted to show that you might be interested in doing. And it doesn't take very long.
It's very good, y'all. It's real tender, garlicky butter. Look.
And of course, you can put whatever other flavor that you would like to flavor it out with. If you want more flavor, use whatever you use the most and whatever's the best for you to do. So, to all of my YouTube family and all the ones that's joining and the ones that's been here for a while, I appreciate you guys and I love you so much. And I can't wait. And I'm hoping to see you on my Friday Night Alive, because today is Thursday. And this will be Miss Lena from Miss Lena's Kitchen. And so tune in tomorrow night at 7 o'clock. And I'll be there to talk with you. Thank you for comments. Send your comments. And please push the notification button to know, so you'll know when I'm coming on.
And please push the like button, y'all. It's so important. And keep our videos trying to be out there. Please put the like button.
Okay. And I thank you so much for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye. From Miss Lena's Kitchen. With all my love to all the subscribers and the viewers. Please come to my channel. Thank you so much. Have a blessed night from Miss Lena's Kitchen. Bye-bye.